Peace everyone, my name is Devon, founder of Positive Obsession, a movement that calls us to rethink fashion with the environment in mind. I've received so many questions recently on Instagram and Facebook about my fire escape garden, and I thought to share some tips here. Today I'm showing a quick video about separating and repotting my pothos plants, also often called plant division. So if you have any houseplant questions or any gardening ones, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. You're gonna need potting mix. I use Miracle-Gro, and this blend does the job for my flowers and vegetables. You don't normally need a shovel, but this one folded. It was pretty cheap. And last, I thrifted these two multicolored planters for $2.99. That's 2 for 2. Then it's time to lay out your plants and lay your leaves in a way that you can successfully knock on the pot, the sides and the bottom. It's a lot of leaves, so I have to make sure that they're all in the same area, ready for me to pull. If it's still a little difficult, which it sometimes can be, just ease your way around the pot. Ready, set, pull. Perfect. Once a pothos plant outgrows its container, it's definitely a good time to repot. And as you can see with these roots here, I noticed immediately that there was some root-bound roots, which means that the roots have grown so much they have now begin to intervine and intertwine with each other. So I have to delicately work my way through the roots to begin to cut through. But first things first, this is the drain that they must have used when they first potted the pothos plant. Gotta take that out. Time to grab your scissors and just cut right through. Make sure you're gently massaging through the plant, trying not to cause too much shock, even though inevitably there will be. While I divide and conquer here, I wanted to share 3 reasons why I absolutely love this pothos plant, and I'm sure you will too. 1, they're cheap and perfect for the beginner gardener. You only water it once a week and it thrives in low lighting conditions, so you can literally put it anywhere. And that's my second point, its versatility. Their long stems and vines can come in many different colors and patterns and look great anywhere, from the kitchen table to the bathroom shelf. And lastly, they live forever. Well, at least 15 to 20 years is what I've read. And who doesn't love a loyal, long-lasting friend? You know, I bought this pothos a couple years ago after my cousin and honestly my very first best friend passed away due to a blood disorder called sickle cell anemia. Many African American families deal with this disorder. However, it's not widely spoken about. Anyway, her name was Kameen. And I only tell you this because I never thought to define or look up the definition of her name prior to her passing. But when I did, I was completely shocked. It means a little thing in the eye is big, which speaks to exactly what her character was. Small in stature and always looking kind of frail, but huge and dynamic in faith and force. And she believed in freedom. Doctors told her she wouldn't make it to 9, yet she lived and gave life until she was 39. And that's what this pothos reminds me of. Thin and small in structure, but look at how abundant the vines grow and how they spread, much like her love. Apologies if that was super random, a bit awkward, and even a tad personal, but I believe that all things in life are connected. Maybe that's another video, another place, another time. Comment down below if you're feeling me. I'm gonna hit the fast forward button, planter number 2, and I'll hit y'all back with the final results. And voila! Don't forget to like and comment below. Peace.